Hi there. Today in this video I will show you couple of methods how to print an email in new Outlook. So currently I have opened my inbox and I select this first email to print. So what I want to do is to click on the email. The email opens in the reading pane. You can also double click to open in a new window. Now look at the top above the email. You will click on these three dots. Now you will get an option which is print over here. Click on it and you are redirected to the print preview setup. Here your email look like this. Once it print, simply now you have to select the printer. In my case I have couple of printers already there. Simply hit print and your email will be printed. Now second method, which is keyboard shortcut, you simply select your email once again, press Ctrl P from your keyboard. Now once again this print dialog opens automatically. Select the printer once again and hit print. This is the fastest method to print something. Now another method to print the email, select your email and you can use this home tab and your print option will be available in the above. So click on it and once again you can see your print preview setup once again open. Again use this print button to print your email. Now I will show you, is it possible you can print multiple emails at once? Let's try. I have selected this email and I select another email using my control key. I have pressed my control key and select the second one as well. Now I have two emails selected. Now once I select the second one, the reading pane showing these kind of options. Now from these options, the print option is not there. Now if I use mouse right button and check out the print option here, there is no such print option also available here. Now if I use the home tab and go to that print option, the print option is blur. That means that this will not allowing me to print multiple emails. There is a problem that new Outlook does not allow you to print multiple emails at once. But this option is available in Outlook Classic. Now somebody asked me whether I can print an email along with the attachment. Let's see. First I filter it and go to has files. That means I have filtered all the emails with attachment. Now you will see I select this first one. This email consists of one PDF file. So I will open this PDF file as well to show you the content of the attachment. See, this is the PDF file and this is the matter. If I use these three dots and hit the print button, you will see the preview of the email. But what about the attachment? We will see some options like more settings here, but there is no such setting available for me to select or to print the attachment along with this email. So once again, new Outlook does not allow you to print an email along with the attachment. Rather, there is some other options like Power Automate. You can use that and print your email. We will discuss this in next video in detail. Now I will show you if you want to save the email as PDF instead of printing that email, what to do that. Again, the process is similar. Select the email, click print. The only change you have to do is to select the printer and you have already consist of this option, Microsoft Print to PDF. Once you click on it and hit print, your email will be converted into your PDF file and saved in your specific location as you select. Say I select desktop and I name it, say today's date. Today's date is 25th of Feb 2026 and I hit enter. Now I will show you, this is my demo, this is my desktop and this is my file. When I double click on it, the email is saved in a PDF form. Now I will show you what kind of printing setups you can change. So for that, I need to once again click on this print. Now you will see this option we have already discussed. This is the option where you can select your printer. Now, this is here you can set up the copies you want to take the printout. Layout, by default, portrait is already selected. You can select landscape in case you want to print the email in landscape. The preview, once you select the landscape, the preview also changes. You can command your system to print all pages, odd pages, even pages, or you can customize your page numbers over here. You can also select the print on both sides, print in one side, or you can check out print on both side. Some more settings as well. You can select the paper as well. You can scale fit to print area or actual size, pages per sheet, margins, options over here which are headers and footers, background graphics, and that's it. These are few options which can help you to modify your printing setups. So that's all for this video. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.